trash day, guys. Don't pay attention. People that won't go like this. But let's see if I can keep myself only. So we're going. Let's see how much of it. So we trash day. Going for a run. Not really a lot of run. Just me jogging. So I've decided every morning that I can, guys, I will be going to run. It's definitely more exciting. I get to get out of the house, and it's so much better. Show you something, guys, fun. What I do whenever I'm really tired and I'm stressed, but I need to exercise. This is one of my part of my exercising. It's actually going out and walking / run. I don't really run that much, but I kind of run, guys, so it's not too much. It is a little bit gloomy this morning, guys, but we have a little Christmas. Let's go back on here. They do this every year, the city, but we have a little Christmas thingy. It's a whole deal. How fun is that? This is like my attempt at taking a picture like this. I was trying to make it sit on my hand, but I kind of suck at that, so we're just gonna do that way. But it's a nice quiet morning though. There's like 2 people here, so it's only me and 2 other people, and they're not even exercising and walking. So I love when I come here and there's like no one. It's only me. There's so many birds out here, guys. So many birds like every day. This is not even half of the. This is my mask falling. It's not even half of like the birds we usually have. So not bad. Well, much better, right? That sign means nothing to people. Tell them not to feed the animals all the time. But they do it. Look how nice is this? I actually love walking here. Frees my mind so much. It is quite nosy though, because this road right here. But I love it. I'm coming back. That's fun to walk. I like to, when I'm really stressed, just to walk. It makes it a lot easier and better. See, my face is crazy. It was a lot warmer than I thought it was this morning, so this was not needed. But not too bad for a morning walk. Totally had fun doing it. Do these once in a while. But made it so much fun. I am trying this vlogging thing, guys, so let's see how much footage I can give you guys. festive is Ross right now, guys. Like, they got so much decorations. Absolutely not. Guys, Winter Wonderland. I need him. Need a snuggle buddy. Oh. What I found, guys, is some videos with it. I used to play these games the other day. I did. Totally did. Little arcade fun. I need to get one of those when I get enough space at my house. When I get my house, guys. It's so empty on the shelves. Never wear heels anymore, but these are cute. Guys, t-shirt pants, just everything. Never wear sandals. So bored right now. Healing time until it's time for me to go to my next appointment, guys. Not really a big shopper, but it's fun to do once in a while. It's like super windy outside, but I got some blue light glasses, guys. Can't wait to show them to you. Very excited. One of my finds.